All right, so this is by far my favorite pattern to trade. Just simple support and resistance. You don't need the complex. You don't need every single indicator on your screen. You don't need every little ticker, every little. You just need to simplify it. You don't need everything in the world in order to be a successful trader or to be a consistent trader at that. All you really need is risk control, knowing when to get out if things aren't going your way. So this is a trade I took earlier today, made about 7% on NVIDIA. Um, so it's only $26, as you could see, but I started this account with $300. So I'm trying to grow it from 300 to 1,000 and flip it. So I'm making a different video on that. But this particular trade, right, as you could see, it's pretty simple. You have your resistance at about 127, and then you have your support about 126. So that's $1 range right there. So I don't like to trade right away. Like, I don't like to instantly get into a position. But as you can see here, if you wait a little bit, or I tend to wait a little bit. I like to wait 5-10 minutes. This trade took about 20 minutes to like come into fruition because you need to let it paint its picture first. If you just jump in, fakes you out, and then it goes to the upside, then you're screwed. You know what I'm saying? And I'm someone who likes to trade options because with the account size that I mentioned, it's kind of hard to flip 300 into 1,000 by strictly just trading, like buying stock, because you can't even short with this size account. And since I trade NVIDIA, it's trading at about 128. You're only buying 2 shares, so you're not doing nothing with those 2 shares. But yeah, so I made about 7%. Let me go back to this, but I love to look at the percentage. I don't like to look at the actual dollar amount, because say this account, right, instead of the 300 that it was, or whatever, 330, say it was $10,000. Something that's a reasonable amount to trade with. It's not crazy. It's not like a large amount, but it's not a small amount either. If you have a 7% gain or close to 8% gain, that's nearly $800 you're making on a trade. So that's why I never like to really look at the actual dollar amount, more of the percentage amount. And since I'm trading options, I like to keep my capital very small. I like to keep it very small. And I'm still in the process of like figuring out how I really want to trade with options because it's so risky. But all right, let's go to this example. So as I mentioned, 127 resistance, about 126 support. So I caught this leg down right here, right? From about 127 to 126. I like to get out a little bit before the previous resistance. As you can see, it was about 126. So I like to get out a little bit before. So I got out a couple cents before. But yeah, support and resistance. If you know that, you know more than most. You can be successful. You don't really need to overcomplicate your trading. You don't really need to have, like I said, every little indicator on the screen. My screen is pretty simple, as you can see. So I just want to give a little bit of example of like my favorite pattern to trade and how simplicity is key when trading, because when you're over analyzing, you kind of get like that, what is it called, the paralysis of decision paralysis, because there's so many things, one thing telling you to buy, one thing telling you to sell, one thing telling you to just turn the computer off. So that's one thing I love about just support resistance and keeping it simple. You don't really have to overcomplicate it. So stay tuned. I'm gonna be posting more examples, and I'm trying to get more, like, record more while I actually trade. I recorded the trades earlier, but I wasn't really talking in it, so I didn't really want to post it. But yeah, just keep it simple and let's make our money. Stay tuned.